Welcome to another edition of Sharing Our Success. And today I just want to share with you my test drive of the Tesla Model Y. We're here at the Tesla location here in Cedar Park or Pond Springs. And we're going to take this Model Y out for a little spin. So hang on to your butts because here we go. This is one thing that actually a lot of people had concerns about without the auxiliary port and all that stuff. And my concern actually was they might actually not allow you to listen to a YouTube video in the car. And so I Bluetoothed in and I'm listening
today,
to
this is going to come down to
favorite
whether
YouTuber
or not somebody
solving the money problem
gun, or if this
in
is
the Tesla.
One more short seller who
So
makes an allegation.
It's going to be a fun test drive.
And then
Let's go.
overtime into this. We don't buy into the hype. You have a company that barely has any revenue here. We think it is ripe to fall at some point in the future. So that definitely is a factor as well.
Just quickly want to chime in here and make a couple of distinctions regarding Nikola and Tesla and the short sellers of both companies. Those who were shorting Tesla, a publicly listed company who IPO'd 2 years after they began delivering products to customers, is a very different story to people shorting Nikola who currently have no products and their only revenue so far to date has been the sale of solar panels to, drumroll,
navigate to 360 bridge.
Okay, big promises, ground.
Now turn right onto North Highway.
Groundbreaking battery technology, better energy density than anything else.
All right, so far the Autopilot's been great. Cancel that. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So it's been showing up to try to get me to change lanes. It's been really wanting me to change lanes. There you go. And now I just turned it off because I don't know, it's trying to get me to go over. Probably it knew that I should get out of the way. Alright, there we go. Run into that giant truck. Alright, you can see the line right there. And I am not driving the car. See that 18-wheeler thing right there? Oh, it said nope. Call Stephanie. Nice, that worked. Recording it? Yeah. Getting up into my lane here. I'm not driving the car now. It is on autopilot. Doing pretty good. I gotta say, I'm gonna be driving to Colorado like this in the Cybertruck. That's gonna be pretty awesome. See right there, it just asked me to confirm that this was a green light, which I did by pressing the gas pedal, and it just drove right through it. Still not driving. All right, it's approaching that truck up there. That's just blowing out black smoke. Right, we got a cyclist up here. Don't swerve near the cyclist. Don't exit. Oh, God, I tried to kill that cyclist. Does Teslas hate cyclists? They're like, we're the greenest of the green. Get off my road. It's like green combat over here. So we're doing our test drive here, having some fun. We're at 360 Bridge area, and I got bad allergies right now. We got a little front that just came through. It's been over 100 degrees, but finally cooled down. Here we go. Yep, that's pretty fast. That's pretty fast. 60. All right. Yeah, this car's fun, that's for sure. I think we're gonna park it right here. I think we should go the other way. Someone did some donuts here. Just to show you here, we're gonna go reverse. Look at there, you got these cameras, you got this side camera, each side camera. And you press here to park. Well, we're at the 360 bridge, and I got a lot more time with it this time, so we've had some fun. We've driven, and man, I've already had like, it's already been an attraction. Like multiple people have already come up to me and asked me about it. Everyone loves this car. Sick. Look at that. That piece right here, that makes it look awesome. I wanted to show the seats folding down this time. Let's check this out. This actually has a button right here. That's pretty sweet. But this time I wanted to show the seats folding down. Actually, ooh, okay. Oh, I think there's a button in the back actually. Let's see it. So that's automatic. Is there a button here? Oh, right here. Oh, there it goes. There you go. Look at that. And this is thoroughly impressive. This is exactly what I've wanted with the car, to just be able to chill like this. Here, let's set it up. This is it. This is really what I wanted out of any car. Hatchback, seats fold down, got all my gear right here. You know, got my tripod, got my drone, backpack, gear, camera gear, photography stuff. I'm camping right now. We head out to Colorado, road tripping. Yeah, this is a pretty sweet ride. With Tesla stock now growing, me actually getting a ride in it, got my Cybertruck reservation, things are really going. And the next few years are going to be pretty interesting. So don't blink, because the all-electric revolution is right around the corner. And it's coming quietly.
When I waved goodbye, I saw the sky had shut down. I mopped the floors and closed the doors and walked out. I was in the car, my new ride, and the phone rang. You missed your flight, but in spite, you weren't coming home. I slammed the brakes and I said, wait, there's more to this. You made a gas, hung up fast, and that was the last time we had in Toledo, in our old place on Colorado Ave. Maybe we can still be friends. Now I'm spinning out, I'm sweeping the dugout, looking at the closed up sky by the station lights. When you called me again, saying someday we'd be friends, but that freedom isn't free.
So what do you think about the Tesla Model Y? Do you think this is the best car ever made? I'm starting to think that it is. And hey, that's just an opinion. Everybody can, you know, think differently about what they think is the best car ever, but look at that white and black and tell me that's not pretty sick. So when I started the test drive, I had about 150 or so miles. I'm about 137 miles now. AC's been constantly on. I've been driving it around, and the range on this thing is solid. A great test drive. Again, you don't want to take this back. I want this car to be mine. This car is sick. I just pulled away from this Dodge Charger like it was a Ford Pinto. I mean, it's just insanely fun. Let's see here. Like, that guy's not having any fun. Look at that guy. He doesn't know what he's doing. Just wasted all that gas. Crazy. I mean, I guess I'm wasting energy, but it's not mine, it's Tesla's energy. So my goal, in order to try to, for my own personal Tesla, is to get a large down payment saved up. So for the next few years, and for the past few years, I've been saving a down payment. I'm gonna try to get about $10,000 to $15,000 down. I have a Kia Soul EV I'm gonna sell or trade in, and I have a Mazda 3 hatchback that I'm gonna trade in. Both of those are paid for, so that's probably a good $5,000 each on those that I'll get. So pretty soon, we're gonna drop it and get that Tesla. And I really cannot wait for that day. I'm really trying to save up a big enough down payment so that I won't have a financial burden when I buy it. So I can't wait. Anyways, here we are. We're gonna take the Tesla back now and return back to normal life. Yep, returning back to normal life. Here we are. We're back at Tesla. Check that out. And we're gonna have to turn it in. So, peace. Till next time.